Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Fiddle plus stick plus z. Fiddlesticks. Fiddlesticks. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show. The lady on my right had a shot at winning a brand new car in our last program. Didn't quite make it. Hopes to atone for that today. Let's welcome back Betty Jones. Hiya, Betty.
Hi, how you doing, Alex?
I'm all right. You having a good time on our program?
I'm having a wonderful time.
Of all the prizes we have outside of a car, which one would you like to win?
A trip.
A trip?
I need to go somewhere.
Somewhere? Are you talking about Europe, Asia, or into the sun, Mexico or the Caribbean?
Mexico, the Caribbean, anywhere where it's sunshiny and
where you can relax.
There's sand and water. Yeah.
Okay, good luck to you on the program today.
Thanks.
You're facing the same opponent you faced in yesterday's show, Jim Hamilton. Let's welcome him back. Hiya, Jim.
Fine, thanks.
Good. Ready to do it?
I'm ready.
I'll ask you the same question. Of all the prizes we have, which one would be most important to you?
I have a beautiful fiance and wedding planned for next summer. I need a honeymoon.
All right. You want a trip. She wants a trip. We'll probably have one in this first game. Let's take a look over here, and we will show you one of the other prizes.
A beautiful limited edition serograph titled Riviera Approaching the 18th by Charles Lynn Bragg. It's numbered and hand-signed and is furnished by Promenade Gallery, Santa Monica. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Take a look, Betty and Jim. We'll show you where the artwork is. It's at number 5. Now, each of you wants a holiday. Would Hawaii qualify as a possible honeymoon for you and a getaway for you,
That
Betty?
would do.
Absolutely.
It would work?
Absolutely, yes.
All right, Jim, you get to pick first in this game. Hawaii it is.
Okay, let's begin at the beginning with number 1, please.
That's the beginning. Red take is what we have there.
And can we find a match for that under number 21?
Yes, we can, and we do. Just like that. There you go. A little bit of insurance for later on. Swing those 2 doors open for Jim Hamilton. Go again.
Okay, let's continue on the top row with number 2.
Wild card.
All right. And let's see if we can find that Waikiki trip under number 13.
Green take. All right, the other green take is at number 24. You've got them both, and your opponent has no prizes for you to take. But this may come in handy later on, as you know. 3 panels opening up. Go again, Jim.
Okay, well, let's continue on the top row. Number 3, please.
Popcorn popper.
All right. How about number 8 for the match for the popcorn popper?
No, that's a home office package. Betty?
Okay, let's see what's under number 15.
15 is the home office package.
And number 8.
Number 8, just like that. So in your first selection, you make a match as well, and you got to look at these 2 pieces of the puzzle.
It's still early, Alex.
All right, go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 17.
There's a wild card for you. Now,
Okay, please be under number 12.
12. Wide-angle binoculars. That's not a trip. Not by any stretch of the imagination.
It sure isn't.
But you might find it a little later. The other binoculars are at number 20. So 3 panels are now going to open for you, Betty. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 16.
Shower massager.
That would sure feel good. Maybe the match to that's under number 25.
Sofa and love seat. No match. Jim.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 18, please.
Artwork.
And the match for the artwork under number 5.
5 makes it a match. And because you've made a match, you can use one of your takes.
I think I'll take the binoculars.
Binoculars?
Yes.
All righty. Binoculars go over to Jim, and he remains with the green take. And now he gets a look at the puzzle with the possibility of solving this and winning the game. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 22.
diamond bracelet.
Ooh. All right, I could use that for my fiance. How about number 19 for the match?
Shower massager, no match. Betty?
Aha. Number 16.
Shower massager.
And number 19.
There's a match.
Yes.
And you get another opportunity to solve the puzzle, Betty. Look at it carefully. Select.
Okay, let's see what's under number 9.
Sofa and love seat.
Oh, I did that before, didn't I? Okay, let's just match it up then. Number 23.
Waikiki.
Oh.
Jim Hamilton, your selection.
Hey, I believe we saw a sofa and love seat under number 25. And the match for that under number 9.
Number 9 makes it a match, right. Now, Betty has the home office package.
No, I'm going to save it for
and
some
the shower
insurance.
massager.
I'm
Insurance?
going to save it, yeah.
All righty. Sofa and love seat opening up for you. Go again.
Okay, how about the side under number 11?
Wild card. Doesn't matter what you pick now, it's going to be good news. What will you select?
I think I'll take the Waikiki trip. If I remember right, it was under number 23.
Waikiki it is. The other Waikiki vacation. At number 7. You want to use the take now, or do you still want to use this as a possible insurance
I'm
for
still
later?
going to save it. Alex, thanks.
All righty. 3 doors opening up. Everything is pretty well visible. It's all there for you. Make a selection, Jim.
Okay, let's try number 4, please.
Diamond bracelet.
And did we see that under number 22?
Diamond bracelet, a natural match. There are only 2 prizes left on the board up there, Jim. Do you want to use the take now?
I'll take the home office package, Alex.
All righty. You see, that was a good move on your part, because there's nothing that can be taken away from you. Both the takes were on your side of the board a little earlier. Diamond bracelet. Open it up. Pick again. 1 match, and you clear the board.
Can we see what's behind number 14, please?
Popcorn
And
popper.
the match behind number 3.
That's it. So the popcorn popper goes into your column. We'll open those 2 doors. We'll show you 6 and 10. That's the grandfather clock, and that's a beautiful prize. And now, when we open these doors, Jim, I want you to solve this puzzle.
Inspiration point.
Oh, boy, you got it just in the nick of time, I think. Inspiration point for every prize but one. Yes. Come on, Jim.
This is N, and this really threw me here. I didn't see the spear till the end. I was working on the head or something. N, spear, ray of the sun, shin, inspiration, and point on the pencil. Inspiration point.
Now, you did very well in that, because during the game, folks, our executive producer, Howard Felcher, came out and was pointing at this head, trying to indicate, I suppose, that that's what will happen to me if I mess up. But I didn't mess up, and Jim didn't mess up. He won the game, and you didn't mess up, Betty. You just didn't get a chance to solve it towards the end. So it's 1 strike against you. We'll see you in the next game, all righty?
All right.
Okay, Jim, come on over here. We're going to tell you about all of the prizes you have just won. Gene, go for it.
A popcorn popper, wide-angle binoculars, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select wide-angle binoculars or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a home office package. Panasonic's home office package with logic control, micro cassette, transcriber recorder, personal word processing typewriter, and cordless telephone answering system. Furnished by Panasonic, and a sofa and love seat. Easy Rest offers this reclining sofa love seat combination for your comfort. Easy Motion furniture furnished by Easy Rest, and a diamond bracelet, part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection. This elegant diamond bracelet, handcrafted in 14-karat gold. It sparkles with 5 brilliant diamonds, furnished by Kay Jewelers, and a grandfather clock. This Wurlitzer grandfather clock is destined to become a family heirloom. The Montrose in vintage cherry features beveled glass and rotating moon dial. Gracefully elegant, furnished by Wurlitzer. And Waikiki! We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll enjoy 6 nights at the famous Hilton Hawaiian Village, home of Don Ho, international star Charo, award-winning restaurants and 100 boutiques, a 20-acre tropical resort furnished by Hilton Hawaiian Village, and, of course, the lovely artwork. And Jim, when you go to get married, she is going to be marrying a wealthy man. These prizes total $9,697.
Oh, boy, you won $7,000 the first time, $9,000 this time, and you're going to get to play for a brand new car as well when we come back. Gosh, with so much in prizes won already, I had a feeling that Jim had been up here many, many times, but that's not the case. It's only his second time up, so here are the 15 numbered squares and the clock with 40 seconds for you, Jim.
Okay.
Good luck. Off you go.
Thanks. 1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
1, 3.
No.
1, 4.
That's right.
5, 6.
No.
7, 8.
No.
3, 8.
Yes.
9, 10.
No.
5, 11.
No.
9. 12.
No.
11. 6.
Yes.
10. 13.
No.
9. 13.
Right.
14. 12.
No.
15. 2.
A few errors, but that's okay. You've got $17,067 in just 2 games. That's fantastic. We'll put them to the test in another game right after this. Hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, and you will see an X in front of each one of our contestants. And what that means is that this next game is very, very important. But we have some marvelous prizes, including this.
It's the Wurlitzer home organ, the Omni 3600, designed to let you have fun creating your own music in no time at all, simply, easily. The Omni 3600, furnished by Wurlitzer. Alex.
And where will we find that beautiful musical instrument on the prize board? It's hiding behind this number. 23 has the organ. Now, remember, because this is our second game, we have the cash pot, and today that's up to $1,100. We've got a vacation, of course, that's in Lake Tahoe, and we have those 5 bonus seconds. And Betty Jones, you select first.
Let's see what's under number 7.
Patio furniture.
Okay, and let's try for a match for that under number 15.
Lake Tahoe getaway. No match, so let's go right over to Jim Hamilton.
Okay, well, this worked last time. Let's start at number 1, please.
27-inch color television. That's a big one.
Okay, maybe we can find a match for the TV under number 16.
No, red take. Betty?
Let's see what's under number 3.
Wild card.
Oh!
Now, there's a cash pot up there. There are 5 bonus seconds. There is the Lake Tahoe vacation, which you just saw.
Okay, I'm going to do a shot in the dark. I'm going to say number 17.
17, tennis server and rackets. The other tennis server and rackets at number 24. Not a great prize for you, obviously. You weren't too excited about that, but you're going to get a look at 3 pieces of this puzzle.
Right.
And boy, doesn't that make it easier.
It sure does.
All right, select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 9.
27-inch color TV.
Number 1.
There you go. That's a good prize for your column.
All right.
Take a look at the puzzle now. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 14.
Patio furniture.
And I think I saw that under number
Hurry.
16.
No, that's a red take. Jim.
Okay, thanks, Betty. I think we saw that under number 7. And the match for the patio furniture under number 14.
You are correct, and that's a match for you, Jim, and you have earned a shot at solving this puzzle, even though it's very early. Try it again.
Okay, how about number 2, please?
Choose 10 of your favorite novels.
All right. And a match for the novels under number 20.
There's a match, a natural, too. Well done. See what this does. Pick again.
Oh, yes. Okay. Let's look behind number 22, please.
Cash pot.
All right, I can really use that one. How about a match for the cash pot behind number 10?
No, an organ. Betty?
Oh, number 23.
23 is the organ.
And number 10.
Number 10 is the organ as well. Color TV, an organ, tennis server, and rackets, and a chance to win all of that, Betty. Take a look. Select.
Okay, let's see what's under number 16.
Red take.
Oh, I need that red tape. Maybe the match for that's under number 5.
Is it there? No, that's the Lake Tahoe getaway. Jim?
All right, I believe that Lake Tahoe getaway was under number 15.
Yes.
And the match behind number 5.
There it is, a trip for Jim Hamilton. Possibility, at least. Open these 2 doors for him. Select again.
All right, let's open up the middle of the board with number 13, please.
Green take.
And perhaps a green take behind number 8.
Wild card, so you're going to get the green take out of it. The other one is at number 11. Do you want to use this? She's got a
Yes,
color TV,
I do.
the organ.
I would like the organ.
Organ?
I would
All
like
right.
the organ.
Give Jim Hamilton the organ and open these 3 doors. Pick again. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Remember, you can ring in any time, but try to ring in only when you think you can solve the puzzle. We'll start with number 4, number 6, number 12, number 16, 18, 19. Jim.
Is it Uncle Sam?
Sorry, you took too long. Betty's going to get a free shot at this. Let's open those last 3 doors. Betty, solve the puzzle.
Uncle Sam's. Are you?
No. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. Remember, now that I assist you, you're free to ring in when the green light comes on. All right, the symbol on the bottom line that seems to be a problem for you guys is... Jim?
Is it Uncle Sam wants you?
Is it Uncle Sam wants you? Yes, we had wands there. Yes, Jim. Come on. I can't imagine what you were thinking of the first time, but go for it.
Okay. Well, the top line was no problem. I got the un and the coal and the s and the ham for Uncle Sam. And the wands really threw me. Wand you. Wands you. Uncle Sam wands you.
All righty. Way to go. Betty, you've got the carpet, and I hope you had an enjoyable stay with us. 2 strikes against you means we have to say goodbye permanently. Take care. So long, Betty. All right, Jim. Let's hear about these prizes now. Uncle Sam wants you, and Gene wants to tell you about your prizes.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels and patio furniture. Lloyd Flanders Bay Breeze Series all-weather perma-wicker patio furniture. Quality crafted, designed to complement any outdoor setting, furnished by Lloyd Flanders. And a Lake Tahoe getaway. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Lake Tahoe, and you'll spend 4 nights at Caesars Tahoe along the shore of Lake Tahoe. Elegant accommodations, memorable dining and entertainment, year-round recreation in crystal clear surroundings, furnished by Caesars Tahoe. And, of course, the beautiful organ. And, Jim, this prize package is worth $4,765.
Averaging over $7,000 per win. We'll be back with a car round after this. All right, Jim, let's do it. 15 numbered squares, 3/4 of a minute for you, 45 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
1, 2, no.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
2, 7,
No.
3, 8,
No.
4, 6,
Yes.
7, 9,
No.
5, 9,
Right.
2, 8,
Yeah.
10, 11,
No.
3, 11,
Right.
12, 13,
Yes.
14, 10,
Yes.
7, 1.
Yes. 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 Look at that. Look at that. 34 seconds. Gene, tell him what he's won in 34 seconds.
Jim, you've just won this Honda Civic four-door sedan. Features a 5-speed manual transmission, 4-cylinder engine, and fuel injection. Furnished by Honda, a prize worth over $9,700.
That means that after 3 games, you have won $31,602. Congratulations. Great time for us. Let's hear from Gene about another prize.
Some of today's participants may receive from Krupp's, world famous for quality, reliability, and excellent design, a great kitchen startup set. Includes powerful handstand mixer, coffee maker and mill, and universal citrus press. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
$31,000 for him. Big win. We'll see you tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.